Zdravo ljudi, kako ste? Danas ćemo igrati Stalker, Clear Sky Complete. Inače počet ćemo novu igru i to će biti to. Dajte samo sekund malo da se učita i eto. Ovo će potrajati neko vrijeme, samo da se učita pošto je nova igra i sve to. I evo ga, sad će se učitati.
In actual fact, we have nothing to worry about. According to our research, the next emission will not occur for at least 2 months, 4 days, and 7 hours. Its intensity will be 3 on the Bergman scale, which is 2.13.
Without going into detail, I must say I have never seen anything like this before. The encephalogram suggests serious damage to the nervous system, but the other indicators couldn't be better. It's astounding.
Perhaps it has something to do with the emission.
Most certainly, although so far I've been utterly unable to formulate a rational explanation for this phenomenon.
I eto ljudi, to je sad početak u igru.
You're awake. That's good. Welcome back to the world of the living, Stalker. How are you feeling? Do you remember what happened to you? In the joking mood, eh? That bodes well for your recovery. I'm Lebedev, the group leader, and I'm responsible for everyone here. That includes you, for as long as you're here. We call ourselves Clear Sky, and you are in our base right now. We picked you up in the swamps after the emission.
Znači ovaj lik im je kao vođa ove baze i sve to. I sad naš su nas poslali ogromne eksplozije i svega.
Lucky? I doubt it. The facts are deep. You survived the emission. That's the first thing I still can't explain. The second thing is that our patrol found you in the swamps, which are essentially endless quicksand. And thirdly, you nearly got torn into shreds by a pack of pseudo-dogs. But our boys got you out just in time. Such a chain of events tells me it's more than just luck. Anyway, I need to finish what I'm doing. So let's continue this conversation later.
I dobro, sad nas je pustio ono da idemo. Upravo ćemo ići da pričamo sa nekim ljudima, ono, samo da vidimo šta se dešava i sve to. Evo samo sekund da možemo da kontrolišemo. Evo ga. Kao što vidite, ovo im je baza i sve to. Imamo lampu i sve normalne stvari. Idemo malo da pričamo sa ovim čovjekom tamo što, kako se zove, da, ima ovu prodavnicu to.
Hello, man. You became quite a legend while you were out of it.
Even you wouldn't believe some of the rumors I've heard. Anyways, here's a drink on the house for a lucky son of a gun. It should help you relax and tell me about your adventures. Because I just died of curiosity. Well then, you drink and I'll tell you about this place. It used to be pretty quiet here. We had the paths worked out, the right places explored, and the approach covered. Of course, the swamps ain't exactly spring break material, but it wasn't too bad either. Yeah, it wasn't too bad until the last emission, the biggest we've ever seen. These days our boys pray both to God and the devil before going out of the base. Because getting back alive is a miracle in its own right. But we're managing to hold it together. Because our guys ain't here for loot. They're fighting for a cause. I was collecting
Hoćem
bottles
samo
one after
sve
another.
da preskočimo, ovo nije ništa super.
Leave the merc alone with your dirty jokes. I need to see him.
Well, brother, if Libender says he needs to see you, that ain't up for a discussion.
On samo kao priča šta se desilo i sve što se dešava napolju. Idemo sad da pričamo s tim vođom. Verovatno će imati posao za nas.
Got some fresh air? You look better, that's as
I ovo
I
ćemo
said.
isto da
Yeah,
preskočimo.
no, that emission, I see. Getting out of here, having a...
This is the second outpost. We're under attack. I repeat, we're under attack. Help!
That's enough chit-chat. Great.
Sad su napali neki njihov tamo... Napali su tamo valjda negdje gdje gledaju za neprijatelji, tako moram da im pomognemo. Ovaj čovjek će nam da pištolj i sve to.
I'll be right there. At last. Here, take. I've been
Imamo i kalaš, ali nemamo uopšte municije. Ok, krećemo sada. Pogrešan put, kao i uvek. No i tamo lik će nas odvesti do tamo.
Stalker,
Mislim da ću da odradim ovu i još jednu misiju, pa ću ono da završim
There are
video i sve to.
anomalies ahead. Be careful. Remember, don't move until you've thrown a bolt in front of you.
Sad moramo da bacamo ove šrafove, šta god da su, pošto imaju kao ove čudne stvari što mogu da vas ubiju. Tu je jedna, evo sad, lit. I može lagano da vas ubije. Sad ima, u ovim stvarima imaju art.
You can sometimes find artifacts in anomalies. You can't see them, but detectors spot them easily enough. If you get close enough, your detector will indicate the location of the artifact, and then you just pick it up easy as pie. Keep in mind that your current detector isn't exactly top of the line. It only shows the distance to the artifact.
Evo, sad imaju ti artefakti i oni vam pomožu sa drugačijim stvarima. Ovaj ovdje će kao da valjda uništa radijaciju i sve to. Ne možemo ništa. Idemo misliti na misiju. Eno, već se čuje pucnjava. Valjda napadaju mutanti ili tako šta. Ajde idemo da pomognemo
Run
ovom
for the
liku.
towers. The monsters can't get you there.
Nećemo da bežimo pošto možemo lagano da ubijemo ove svinje valjda. Ima tu još jedna, ne. I to je to.
Attention all fighters. An emission is approaching. Get to cover now.
Sad, evo sad se još dešava ona jedna emisija i eto, moramo da se sakrijemo, mislim šta god. A što mi nemamo vremena da se sakrijemo, to je jedini problem. Evo idemo sad da ga pitamo šta se sve desilo i bla bla bla.
You survived the emission. Enormous. I didn't. I know a lot. You're right. We had through these swamps.
Ali lik nam je samo rekao kao da neko je došao u centar ove zone i šta god i sad se dešavaju te ogromne emisije. Ali lik nam i ne treba, šta će nam? Idemo do ovoga, kako zove, prodavca da dobijemo ono što treba nam da.
Yeah, that's the... yeah, I'm... Drop in next time you're in our neck of the woods.
I sad imamo još municije, to je
Want
to.
to trade? Have a safe trip.
Kupit ćemo još malo municije za pištolj i to je to.
Ну, не знаю. Может,
Inače
кому-то
moram
будет
samo da
заработать.
pauziram ovo malo ovdje.
Это